Hi guys, and welcome to get another excited video tutorials. Note that 10 colors. Artboard width 800 and height 450 pixels. Create rectangle. Align. Gradient. Pick up color code 1 and 2. Type any text. Text size 160 point. Select font. Fill off. Appearance. If you don't show that, then go to Window. Appearance. Add new fill. Add warp arc effect. Bend 20% and vertical subtract 3%. Fill 1 pickup gradient black and white color. Opacity 37% screen. Fill 1 copy. Fill 2 copy. Fill 3 gradient pickup color code 1 and 2. Fill 4 pickup white color. Add transform effect, vertical subtract 2 pixels. Fill 5, add gradient pickup color code 3 and 4. Change transform effect, vertical 4 pixels. Fill 6 pickup black color. Change transform effect, vertical 8 pixels. Opacity 30% overlay. Fill 7, add gradient pickup color code 5 and 6. Transform effect delete. Add offset path 14 pixels. Opacity normal. Fill 8 pickup white color. Offset path same. Add transform effect, vertical subtract 2 pixels. Fill 9 pickup color code 7. Change transform effect, vertical 7 pixels. Fill 10 pickup color code 8. Change offset path 12 pixels. Change transform effect, vertical 10 pixels. Add Gaussian blur 3 pixels. Fill 11, add gradient pickup color code 9 and white color. Change offset path 27 pixels. Change transform effect, vertical 5 pixels. Delete Gaussian blur. Fill 12 pickup white color. Offset path same. Change transform effect, vertical 4 pixels. Fill 13 pickup color code 10. Offset path same. Change transform effect, vertical 14 pixels. Fill 14 pickup black color. Change transform effect, horizontal 94%. And move vertical 23 pixels. Add Gaussian blur 3 pixels. Opacity 40%. Fill 15, change transform effect, vertical 43 pixels. Change Gaussian blur, 11.6 pixels. Opacity, 56%. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like that tutorial, then subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel.